Ta-da!
Dude, that's sick. And it fits in here so perfect.
Ooh, new off the ranch video.
A big, long table, I think would look really cool. Bench, have a...
I gotta call him.
Is that one of the walls I ran through?
That window over there, you definitely...
Oh yeah!
You definitely ran through that one.
Dude, it looks awesome.
We should probably encase at least 1,000, maybe 2,000 bullet casings in there.
Yeah, I'm in. I agree. I think that would look good. I mean, 50 cals are cool, but I think having a bunch of 223 would look pretty neat.
One of our fans literally drove by and dropped off spent 50 caliber casings. And we give them to you, Mr. Carricker.
So I'm way too nervous about sediment on these things. There was a lot of dirt, there was chipped brass.
So I gotta clean it up using one of those vibrating cleaners you can grab from Harbor Freight. I've got a badass idea for the base. That'll be OD green. It's gonna be made out of metal. It's gonna be knocked down. It's gonna be awesome. But we gotta make sure we nail this epoxy pour first. So let's get into it.
No, you're fine. No, go back out. No, you're good. Jordan and I are gonna double fist some mixers. And they come in 3-gallon kits from Total Boat. So we're gonna pour 3-gallon kits, and then we don't have to worry about measuring anything. We can just pour the whole kit. In the black rifle table, we did bullets first, then resin. I think we're gonna go with that. This one's a thinner pour, so we should be able to mix those around and alleviate a lot more of the bubbles, I think. I guess we just dump bullets? Casing? We're gonna do Matt's logo in the center here. So that part, we're gonna be cutting into the resin. We don't need it. If their bullets get in there, it's brass. We'll just screw the bit kind of thing. Make Jordan very sad. And now for the terrifyingly fun part. Pouring $1,000 of resin into something you can't replace. Let's go. Chocolatey. And now we add 50 cals. Good, 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 good. We're not gonna use them all. And I got some shotgun shells for color, right? This is like cooking. You add, certain ingredients for color, certain ingredients for taste. Obviously 50 caliber bullets are tasteful.
It's been a while, but we're back on the Demo Ranch loadout table. Is that what we're calling this thing? It's super heavy, but Jordan's gonna get the logo prepped for cutting that on the CNC. So, oh my God, this is heavy. Are we sure this is gonna fit in his house? Hey, we made a mold that just comes apart.
Damn, we might even be able to reuse that.
Oh, I don't wanna crack it. Is it bad if the tape comes up with it?
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, look at it go. Oh, that's why people subscribe to this channel right there. It's happening. It's happening.
Everybody's take off.
Wow is right. This is the best mold release we've ever had in the history of this company.
All right, and this doesn't look like shit.
It's clear, it's flat.
Bubbleless. He's gonna dig it, as long as Jordan doesn't F up the logo.
This isn't good. Not good at all. Yeah, no, screwed. I don't want to tell John, but I have to. Do you have him? Do you have a minute? The logo wasn't wrong. The bit fell out of the collet somehow. It started pulling itself out.
Damn it, Jordan!
I was gonna fill it with clear epoxy. I mean, it's rough. I can come back in now and hit the edges so we get a good bond.
Yeah, fill it up.
Okay. With high performance? got it filled in with the clear resin. So what we're gonna do, just cut the same path. I offset it a little bit, that way we get any tear out, so it'll make the logo look extra crispy. So let's pray this one goes a lot better.
So if you were curious on how I was able to just call Matt, I was super fortunate that 3 years ago when I was delivering the Black Rifle conference table down to Texas, my buddy Andy Rawls introduced me to Matt. It just so happened to be literally right after he started the Abandoned Mansion project, and he invited me and Sam in to do a little demo with him. I ended up running through a wall and then running through one of the windows and helping out with the demo, getting real gross and sweaty. It was actually an awesome way to get to meet Matt and then be a part of something that turned out to be a huge project. While we're building this, Matt has actually finished the house, so I'm hoping when we're down in Texas, we get to check it out.
Parts are cut for the base. So what we're gonna do is essentially make 2 boxes for the top and the bottom, and then we will use fasteners to fasten the legs in. So that way, when we deliver it, we can take it apart and put it back together nice and easy.
So audience guys ask how you can support the channel, and I am super excited to announce that we finally have our brand new custom hats in stock. We have the Velcro patch with the John the Builder logo inside custom and on the front. These things are awesome. You can get yourself a Freedom and Power Tool patch or a Punch a Day in the Face patch. Both of those look fantastic. Love yins, let's get back to the build.
Let's see if we can measure. Put your side down. Got it underneath? Yeah. Well, good news. She looks pretty awesome. Cleaning stuff over here. Yeah, this will polish up nice. She'll polish up real nice. It's so awesome. I mean, the more we do this kind of stuff, I think we're getting better and better at the wet sanding, the polishing. We're still not perfect, and we've got a couple touch-ups to do. But this thing's looking sick. Now, all we gotta do is get the base finished and then find a way to get to Texas.
One eternity later.
Just got a hold of Matt. We're heading up to the house. So right now he's taking us to his super secret bunker.
This is why the other bunker is better. This one's just gonna. So this one's just got all my NFA items in here. So machine guns and suppressors and short barrel rifles. Yeah, this is
still super rad.
It's cool. It's just not as cool as that. And we took all the guns out of this.
Yeah.
Did you see that little Toyota?
Yeah.
That one has a fake machine gun on it, but that one sits on top of that Toyota.
Yeah.
Like I leave the fake one on there just for fun, but that one actually goes right on it.
Someday. The kid has dreams.
Yeah.
The white oak floors and then the trim and molding.
Yeah.
John, this makes you look short.
Because I am. I'm a midget.
And he made that.
So if you guys aren't familiar, Andy Rawls, he's the one who introduced us. Awesome dude. And this is the room, and that's the window I ran through.
Yep. Really?
He hand jointed that for the woodworkers out there. Jointed every board by hand because he's out of his mind. And it wasn't good enough off the machine, but this thing is so much bigger in person.
Yeah, and it's heavy.
Oh yeah, solid white oak.
So heavy.
I mean, she's a 6-footer. Easy. Show me the drawings.
Yeah.
And we were like, we're thinking about this.
Yeah, we didn't put the water slide in, but everything else is pretty much
Yeah,
here.
you're like, we're thinking about this. I was like, I think that would be okay. All right, boogie in the bunker.
Yes. Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're in the bunker, and needless to say, maybe the coolest place we've ever delivered. I don't know, but we're gonna try to hustle up, get this thing packed in here, and then bring him in and see what he thinks.
Watch your arse.
All right, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work.
What if it's ugly?
If you hate it, I think you have the means to blow it up.
And maybe hide in there.
We did, yeah, sorry.
The camera in here, so I thought about like peeping.
Peeping on the camera.
Oh, dude, that's sick. And it fits in here so perfect.
It's like we measured.
It's like, I know, but like I hadn't, man, this is really cool.
It's a good thing you have 2 bunkers of the same size.
Yeah.
Because it was originally planned for a bunker,
The other one.
for bunker 8.
This is, how heavy is this thing?
It's heavy.
Solid, yeah.
It's heavy, but it's all knocked down, so in case you guys do want to take it out and
Move it somewhere.
Yeah,
Man, this looks so good.
We've got a bunch of bullets in there. We left it clear because
Yep.
we thought it was a cool effect. Super one of a kind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got room to like keep some stuff down here. So,
Yeah.
because we like sometimes need to work on these things in here, so we just did a spot
Yeah.
for it. This is perfect.
Yeah, all your bunker frames are probably gonna be built.
Yeah, definitely.
The bunker community.
This is so good.
We think it looks badass. I mean,
Dude, it does.
it's the it's the 3rd project with bullets encased in it in San Antonio.
Yeah, you'll do Black Rifle. Who else?
And then we did a guitar for Matt that was also.
Oh, I've seen that one. Yeah, that looks awesome.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's where the inspiration came for this.
I didn't know you
If
made that
anyone needs it. It's you.
It's so good. Well, and like this place just looks so cool, but we needed
Yes.
some centerpiece.
Oh yeah.
It's like right when you walk in, just like
Yeah.
guns and that. Dude, it looks cool. I can see the cutouts. Look
Yeah.
at it too much. So good.
Yeah, we threw some of your touches on there and stuff.
Love it.
So a lot of you guys have been asking, and yes, Sam is no longer with us. He has taken a different job somewhere else, and we wish him the best. And then you also probably saw Ethan in this video working on this table, who is also taking another job. He's actually becoming a pilot. So big thanks to those guys. I'm super appreciative. I know Matt's super appreciative.
Yeah, Sam, you were awesome. Met you before. Ethan, you did a great job as well. I love you guys.
Yeah, and thank you guys so much for checking this one out. If you want to see more from me doing weird stuff like this, play this right here.